Hi, Mattie and Mae Bows. We are lunching. We have like 20 more days to lunch their bows, but what we do want to do is do a trial and error. So we want to see if these bows are of good quality. We want to find out how much should they be priced at, and we want to see what, like the bands. I have a comment card included. We want to check out the bands and everything like that. Hello, duck. What do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see, turn the page. Teacher, turn the page. I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? I see, turn the page. We see a brown bear, a red bird, a green frog, a black sheep, a goldfish, a yellow duck, a purple cat, a blue horse, a white dog, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. Yay! So this is Mae and this is Mattie. This is their middle names, M&M Bows, Mattie and Mae Bows. So this bow I made for Mae, for both of the girls. I was just playing around and messing with some colors. I like these colors and they're not featured in anything. But our goal is to make custom bows. But our first line that we're gonna have is the chosen bow. That's gonna be the first bow. That way I can do mass production of that bow before we do anything else. And so let's get to wrapping. So we have the bow and we have it for Fiona. So I did this with the goal for Fiona's baby to make her something. So we kind of target our lunch date with the same date of her birth. That's what we looked at, and that's what our goal is. What is this? Elephant. Yay. I knew she was going to drop that. Good job. So let's see what we have, and let's see what type of bows. We're down to our last few bows. So I wasn't sure if I was going to box the bows or not, so this is our trial. So you all are our guinea pigs, and so we're trying to see what we're going to, how do you like the bows? How do you like the design? What do you think about the chosen bow? That's not what we're going to do, Miss Lady. So that's how we're trying to proceed. Let me see if I put this too big. So I did the tissue paper. What color? What color is this?
Purple.
Purple. And then what color is this one?
Pink.
Pink. So those are the girls' color. Mae is pink and Mattie is purple. And I always just went with that until they pick their own colors, of course. So, and I am not a per se a gift wrapper. Just a minute, Missy. So really I do a lot of video watching. So this is not your bow, but this is the only bow I made with this design. So we're gonna do that. So what I have for Fiona's baby, just a minute, is this is the Serenity bow, which I'm not gonna lunch yet.
Yeah.
Both of these are the design. I can make the with any colors.
Yeah, colors.
And then I have the tag on the back, which I think is so cute. Let me see.
Cute.
I did the headbands with her in mind. Cute, you cute? For the baby's head. So you have to tell me, you all, what you think about the quality of the bowl. I'm looking for kind of pricing. Because like I say, I can customize any color with the specific design that I am creating. So we're going to place it in there like so. And then I have the cookie. And I just did this. This is more of like a Minnie Mouse color. Cookie. And then it's a camouflage. So I did the easy bands for the baby. And I kind of went like, what is the size of a newborn's head? So you have to just bear with me. Because sometimes the bands, like when I got their bands when they were babies, and I normally do bands on babies, and then when they get bigger, I was more into barrettes. So now I'm trying to see which direction to go. So I always like the bands for the babies because I don't really do ponytails. I do more of a band. And then when I get this age, I'm more of a ponytail person. That's just me. And so this is, I just wanted, I love gray and pink and pretty much anything. And I did this to go with the baby. I got the baby's big brother a shirt that is blue and the baby a shirt that's pink. So I did this one with that in mind. And so this one I did a different centerpiece and versus these centerpieces. So I was playing with it and I like it. And I haven't made many other ones with that centerpiece, but I do like it. I'm always making the girls bows. And so they're really is what, because I got to get their bow game together. So I'm using a lot of product on them just to make sure. So what I wanted to do, so we have all of the baby bows in here. So I was initially thinking to wrap it like that, but then I said no because I want you to be able to read some of it. And I initially thought that I was going to, maybe I'll do it with the one bow, was to wrap the bow and put it in there like this. Because I looked at XXL Scrunchie and Company and they do their scrunchies like that. What are you saying, Missy? Sugar girl, what are you saying? Oh, okay. Black and white. You like that? And so, but for this, I think I just wanted to lay it on top here and then cross this over. And on this one, put the comment card here for the question. So when you open it up, you see the comment card. Oh, I wanted to give them a card. That's the only thing. Okay, I'm going to have to see. I'm not sure if it's too late for me to do anything. But I have these thank you cards in here, which I thought were so cool. I really like them. Be careful with my shirt. I don't want you to tear it up. So it would be in here like this, like that. And then, was there anything else? That is it. And then I was just going to take them. And then we are going to stick the sticker on there. So these girls are actually doing pretty good because it's like time to be in the bed. It's time for us to have already taken a shower. It's like 7:41, but we have an early routine because I'm an early bird, but I like to sleep early too. We're going to put the pretty sticker right here. How pretty. That's you and Sissy? Is that so pretty? And then we'd have the box like this. You fussing? And then we would put it in the bag. What am I forgetting? I wanted to do a thank you. I wanted to do an envelope. But anyway, because I want you to send back the comment card. And I was thinking I wanted to do a stamp and But nevertheless, the thank you card. What did you say? Stamp. I wanted to put a stamp on the envelope. This is here, and I wanted the thank you cards or the comment cards sent back, but I'm not sure. Hopefully you all can stick a stamp on a card and send me comments back. I just need to get you my address. That's what it is. Is the address on here? No, I don't think so. So that's what it is. So this is yours, and so I'm just going to strip it and close it, but I think I'm going to make sure I have everything that I wanted to have there. That's right. That's your Sissy and you. And the bunny. And you have your purple bows. Is that so cute? Is that so cute, purple bows? Mommy thinks it's so cute. And then I just have to do the single individual strap, and I just have to see what that's gonna look like. So anyway, we appreciate your comments, your feedback, your ideals, your thoughts, because a year ago when we went to the library for story time, there was this little girl, maybe a year and a half, there was this little girl that had this humongous bow on her head, and it was so cute. It was the cutest thing. And I never thought, and I was like, I wish I knew how to make bows. And never thought for one minute that I would be making bows. Although I prayed to God, what can I do for my girls' business and their legacy? And here we are. Never thought that they would be on Instagram. Didn't want them on, especially I didn't even do TikTok. Didn't think they was going to be on Instagram, especially not YouTube. So now here they are. And we're launching their business, and I pray for them and their success all the time. Amen? Amen. That's right. You like my shirt? Okay, say bye. Bye. Turn to the camera and tell them bye. Bye. Tell them be good. Have a blessed day. All right. Thanks for watching Mattie and Mae Bows. Like, comment, subscribe.